It's a beautiful day outside. It's a little bit chilly, but we decided we're going to do a little garden, and we're going to talk about azaleas today. We know that there are a lot of types of azaleas. Some require a lot of sun, some it's not as much. This is what you call an encore azalea. It will bloom again. It comes once a year. We're at the garden at the senior center. And I decided that I would come out and check and see what was going on with the vegetables we've already planted. But I'm going to introduce you to several ways that you can garden. There are 3 types of gardening that you possibly can use in your area. This is the high-rise garden that we use that's very convenient for the seniors. We have the potting that can be used in the apartments and so forth, and you have the pails. Now the pails can be used to grow as big a plant as you would like because you have the space in there. Okay, of course we started this a few months ago with the help of some of the seniors. Ms. Dodd and Ms. Jacobs is very helpful of getting this started. They've planted some of the things we've got right here. It's this beautiful cabbage. JT, fire in on this cabbage for me, please. This cabbage that they've done, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? They've done a very good job with this. The little tabs that you see in the garden are things that they planted, tomato plants that they've done, that has been done. And we're hoping and we're watching for them to come up real good. There are so many other things that we've got planted out here that hadn't started coming up yet. We've got some tomato plants over here. We've got some other things, peas and some peppers. The most important thing right now is that the 3 areas of planting, that you have to have the very best soil. This is the best soil that we can find. The deep, dark soil. Looks like Georgia grown, doesn't it? Yeah. So this has nutrients in it. And this is the very first thing that you're going to need for gardening. Is very good dirt. That's our first tip for the day. But if you got a tip that we can use, be sure to tune in, give us a hit, and tell us what we can do to make our garden better. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.